Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to withdraw money from ByBit. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so follow along. So first thing that you will do is simply verify your account. So just simply go to account and security and click on identity verification, and from there just simply upload your ID or passport and complete the face scan, and this will take about 5 minutes. So now the second steps that you are going to do is just simply transfer your funds to the funding account. So just simply go to assets and select funding account, and from there just simply transfer your crypto from the unified trading account. So the next step is convert crypto to fiat. So from here, just simply go in the funding account and click buy crypto. And from there, just simply click on convert and just simply select the crypto that you want to convert and choose the fiat currency. And after that, just simply enter the amount and review the rate and just simply click on convert. So now once you have convert the crypto to fiat, just simply withdraw the fiat currency. So just simply go ahead and go to the funding account again and select the fiat currency and click withdraw. And from there, just choose a withdrawal method based on your country, like ADV Cash or Zen. And after that, just simply set up the required fintech app and complete the KYC process there. And the last one, guys, is just simply finalize the withdrawal. So just simply enter your withdrawal details in ByBit and confirm. And from there, your funds will transfer to the fintech app, then to your bank account. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.